Everyone, this is your number one tech guy from OLED gadget stores. So I'm going to introduce a phone to you. It's called the iPhone XR. It comes with a very good camera display, both the back and the front. They are top notch, and it comes with a 128 storage gigabyte space and a 3500 mAh capacity battery, which can give you up to 12 to 11 hours usage. And it has a very fast internet speed, and it comes with a normal cord, so you can see it is there. So it has so many other features, but for now this is what the phone is all about. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel and subscribe, like your favorite guy, tech guy from Upnet Gadgets.